This video is about the inventory transfer feature. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. In this first part, we will learn how to view the list and details of an inventory transfer. Click on the Inventory tab. Next, choose Stocks. At the submenu on the left, select Transfer. You will see the list of all inventory transfers. You can filter them by date. Transfer type. There are two types of transfers, internal and external. Internal transfer, for transfers within branches of the same organization. External transfer, for transfers to entities outside the organization. To view the details of stock transfer, click on the transfer ID. Here, we can see the details. Now, let's see how to add, edit, and delete inventory transfer. To add the inventory transfer, click on the plus icon at the bottom right. Select the type of transfer and fill in the details. After completing the details, click the right icon. Double-check the details and click Save. The inventory transfer are now added. To edit, click on the Edit button. Click on the pencil icon. Make the necessary changes, click the right icon, and then click Save. To delete the transfer, click on the Delete icon. Now let's see how to approve the inventory transfer. To approve the inventory transfer, click on the Approve button. A prompt box will appear, click Approve. We can now see the status has been changed to Approved. Next, let's see how to print the transfer note. To print the transfer form, simply click on the Print button. This is the view of printable item transfer form. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.